is a question from bearing and distance. From the top of a story building, a bed is 5 kilometers away on a bearing of 50 degrees southeast. Another one is on 12 kilometers away on a bearing of 60 degrees southwest. The first question here, sketch the diagram. The second one is how far apart are the beds correct to 1 decimal place. Don't forget, there are 2 beds involved here. One is on a distance of 5 kilometers. The other one is on distance of 2 kilometers on the top of what? Story building. They've given us the direction already as what? 50 degrees southeast and what? 60 degrees southwest. Okay, so solution. So here you can draw your 4 cardinal points. North, this is north, this is south, this is what? East, and this is what? West. The first one travels on what? Distance of 5 kilometers on a bearing of 50 degrees southeast. 50 degrees southeast can be located here. From here now, it travels this way. 50. You will now join another vertical line here, another 4 cardinal points to join it like this. Okay, let me reduce this a bit. South, which is the angle is inside the 50 degrees. Okay, the second one, this one is 5 kilometers. The second one on a bearing of 60 degrees southwest. This is southwest. So you have something like this. This is 60. Of course, the remaining will be what? 30. So we are considering the angles inside. This is 110 degrees. I have another 4 cardinal points to join it like this. You can now, right, join this way. Okay? It means that let's call this one S. That is top of story building. If S is here, and S is here, the small letter S will be here. Let's call this one bed 2. You know, don't forget there are 2 beds. This is what? Bed 1. We have sketched the diagram. That's question 1. Question 2. Right? How far apart are the beds correct to 1 dp? 1 decimal place. You have to find the distance between bed 1 and bed 2, right? And when you see a question like this, don't forget, excuse me, this is 2 kilometers. Travels on what? 2 kilometers here. On the bearing of what? 60 degrees southwest. You represent the direction first before you put the what? The distance. So when you see a question like this, 2 angles are given. The angles is given here, which is 110. Its respective distance is unknown. And we have 2 distance apart here. The 2 distance apart, it means that when you see a diagram like this, it means that you have to apply cosine rule. So if you have to apply cosine rule, we have x squared, which is small letter s, right, equals 5 squared plus 2 squared, the distance, square of the distance, the sum of square of the distance minus 2 times 5 times 2 times what? Cos 100. That's cos s. 110 degrees. Okay? So if you have that, you have x squared equals 25 plus 4 minus 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. That is 20 cos 110. Okay? So permit me to continue here. You have x squared with the 29 minus 20 open bracket. I know that cos 110 will be negative. That's in minus. So from the calculator, that is minus 0.3420. Okay? So you have x squared equals 29 minus times minus is plus, then 20 times 0.3420 will give us what? 6.84. So here we got 6.84. Then we have x squared will be 35.84. Then you transfer the square to here. We have square root of what? 35.84. Square root of 35.84 will give us 5.8966, right? 5.9866 and what? And 5 kilometers. Don't forget, the unit is very important. And the question says, how far apart are the beds? The distance between the two beds, 1 decimal place. So if I take this one to 1 decimal place, it will be s equals 6.0, right? 6.0 kilometers. So that is the distance between the two beds. That is how to answer the question like this. Thank you.